Guys, in this video I'm going to remove the screen film protector for the first time on the Samsung Galaxy Ultra. So your phone comes with this film protector. You can leave it on if you wanted to. If you decide to leave it on, you can cut off the tab at the top here. Now this is a very thin layer of film, and I guess it probably won't last long after you use your phone for several months. So here, I'm just going to remove it to show you what it looks like. It's very flimsy. You can hear the sound of it. And here I'm just going to peel it out. And you can see it's not very strong protections. You can see how thin it is. It's quite thin. Now if you're going to get a proper screen protector, this one is another screen protector. It is kind of like plastic, but it's you can see it's a lot stronger than this one, and this would give you a better screen protection. And for the best result and for best experience, I would highly recommend you get a tempered glass. Tempered glass will be a lot better than this plastic film protector. And that's it. So that is what is on your screen. It comes with this thin layer of film protector for your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.